Monetize this YouTube channel in 10 days only, and I will prove you it was not luck. I will reveal how I did it, my niche, and how much I earned specifically from this channel at the end, including YouTube ads revenue, sponsorships, and the business I did on this channel. But before telling you how I did this, if you don't know me, watch this video to know my story, how I, a middle-class boy, made thousands of dollars from YouTube. Now let me tell you how I did it. So this was the channel. It actually didn't have any niche, and my friend was posting random videos, tutorials, and was only getting 2 views, 5 views on his videos, and sometimes 200 views rarely. So I took and bought his dead channel and thought I should use the skills I have and revive this channel. Usually if you have a channel that is getting good views, like a 1,000 views, and you just go and change the niche immediately, you will always get very less views and your channel will get dead. But in this case, this channel was already dead and getting only 1 view. So from my expertise, I knew we can revive this. To revive this channel first, we needed to choose a niche on which I could search a video topic about. So in this case, I chose a very specific niche, which was organic dropshipping, which is actually a very high RPM niche. This niche gets you a RPM of $15, $30. It was really trending at the time, and new YouTubers on this niche were blowing up. Now, right after I found the niche, my next step was to find a video topic. After doing some research, I found a YouTuber which was doing so well in this niche. This is him. I actually started watching his videos and researching, watching the comments and analyzing what is getting this person more views than his competitors. So one day he actually uploaded a new video, and right after 10 minutes of his upload, I clicked on it and started watching the video. And one of the crazy things that happened was that this guy launched his course in that video, and I knew so many people were going to buy that course, and I got an opportunity. But it was not that I'd learn from his course, but I will buy the course and then make a review video about it and upload this to that dead YouTube channel. This way I'll take advantage of his fame and also get views from search. So I bought the course and watched the videos, but his course was very bad and basic, which actually deserved 1 star. I tried his program. Now I was ready to make a video on it. So I just started writing the script, got my voice ready, and made the video and uploaded the video to that dead channel after doing perfect SEO on it and writing the best title I could ever write. After uploading the video, it got only 19 views in the first 24 hours. But I was not worried because this is not the first channel I ever revived, and I knew YouTube's algorithm always takes time to find the right audience. And this is what happened the next day. YouTube finally clicked the right audience, and the damn video got 1,000 views in a single day. The video started blowing up, and then the next day it got 2,000 views. The video got ranked at 1 position on the search also. And since then, we have got over 9K views from this video and made $162. But this was just the start of this dead channel, and I finally knew how I could make thousands of dollars from this single channel. While this video was blowing up, I immediately set up my business email on this channel to start getting the sponsors. Since the first video was blowing up already, I could see people appreciating my content. I uploaded another video where I motivated the people who were depressed by failing again and again, and it blew up too. My goal was to make as much money as I can make from this channel and get as many sponsors as I can get, and also build a business around this channel. Right after 3 days after that video was uploaded, something very crazy happened. We got our first sponsor on this channel. I just checked the email, and it was an email from $1 million company, CJ Dropshipping. Getting sponsors on just a few videos on channel is very usual. Even the channel you are watching video at has got over 15 emails for sponsor. But the shocking thing was, how can a big company like this reach out so early? I thought it was a scam, but then I talked to their official customer support and they told me it's their real marketing email. So I emailed them back and we agreed on a $500 deal. They told me they will pay after the video has been delivered. So I started working on the next video. My next goal was to make the best video ever that will get the highest engagement, so I can request the company for another sponsor so I can print more money. And this video was the turning point for this channel. We uploaded another video on this channel where I made a complete guide on finding products. First day, this video got only 231 views, but I've been making videos for years and knew this was something great because I was getting very higher views per hour than usual. The next day, the video got massive 1,100 views. Then the views started coming down and got only 700 views. But after that, it started blowing up again and got 1,400, 1,500 views the next day, 1,600 views, 1,300 views. And in total, this video has got over 21,000 views till now. And this video made us $607. Also, we got the $500 payment from our sponsor. Now we have started getting a lot of sponsors already, and one of the sponsors was Viral Ads, which is a big company for ads right now in this niche. Their founder reached out to me through Instagram, and we negotiated for the offer and agreed on $1,000 for multiple videos. Now, after making these couple of thousands of dollars, I wanted to do something big and earn a chunk of money. I was doing research for another topic and thought of making a complete guide on dropshipping. It was a complete high-quality video guide we were going to make, and with an average RPM from $17-20, we could make thousands of dollars just from AdSense. But this isn't the only thing I wanted to earn from. There was one more thing from which I could make money. It was by doing affiliate marketing and promoting other people's products. I signed up on all the affiliate programs of apps related to dropshipping and got ready with my affiliate links, which I would promote in my next video. We also got our next sponsor, which was another Shopify app. So after publishing this video, we will be earning from AdSense, sponsor, and affiliate marketing. Now it was time to make that big video. My goal was to rank the video at one position, so we keep earning money for years. It took me a week to make the video from scripting to actually ready to upload, and in total this video got us 406K views and made $8,039. After this video our channel started rising. Until now in total I have made $27,000. I did $18,000 from AdSense alone, $7,000 from sponsors, and $2,000 from affiliate marketing. This is just a piece of cake for me, as I've built multiple channels that make me thousands of dollars. Even the channel you are watching this video at has got 30,000 views on just its second video and still getting views. It's all based on skills.